Hey, welcome back to another video here. We have some more parts for the bike that we're going to install today. I have a airbox delete kit from MK Designs India. I also finally got in our shorty front fender. So we'll be able to put that on and get that part finished up here. So I think this is going to be a pretty good stylization change for the bike. It's going to allow you to kind of see through the frame and body of the bike, which is going to be way more reminiscent of a cafe racer style, which is what we're trying to build here. So I think this is going to be a huge mod. I'm really excited for it today. I hope you guys follow along and enjoy the video. So we got all of our parts here. We're going to go ahead and get them all unbagged so we can really take a look at them. All right, so I'm just gonna take out this whole middle section and literally remove the airbox. Do I know what I'm doing? No. Am I gonna do it? Hell yeah. Now I know what I'm up against here. We're gonna go ahead and just get right into it, start taking things apart. This is not necessarily a tutorial video. If you'd like to follow along, I'll try and kind of get good shots of what I'm doing here as we go. But yeah, it's really just gonna be watching me tear this thing apart, throw it back together, and hopefully it all goes good. We gotta take off the gas tank, everything else. So all these internals here are gonna go and be replaced with this kit. So gonna be really cool. I'm excited to see it all come together. Let's dig into it. Pulled teeth plenty of times before. This is nothing. Hello, this is Post Problem Luke with a quick update for you. Once I got everything back together after the airbox delete, the bike did not start. So looking around, realizing that I had misplaced the tip sensor, which cuts off the ignition of the bike if it's not positioned where or how it's supposed to be, your bike won't start. You are able to mount it back up under those panels that you replace. Bike starts up just fine. We were still running into some issues with the idling of the bike and just the overall performance of it. It didn't quite sound right, and realized that I needed to get an air injection delete kit for the bike as well. So we got that fixed up by installing the delete kit on the bike, and from there we can go ahead and run it like normal. Unfortunately, we are running a little low on time for this video, so I'm going to wrap this up pretty quick. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy GT650 mods and cafe racer builds, go ahead and like and subscribe. Give me a follow. We got some more videos to come. In the next one, we're going to do a full walk around of the bike, check out all the mods we've done so far, and get some proper riding in. Thanks again.